Good morning, YouTubers. How are we this morning? I hope we're all doing really well. And today's plan is we are going to Nara to see all the beautiful wild deer in the park. Got home late last night, probably about 12:30 last night. Stayed up to about 2:30, sorting out phone. Definitely a day for hoodie and sunglasses. It's very cold. By +2, we're making pretty good time. We are going to the Tetsu line. Next stop, number. Alright guys, here we go. Made it to Nara. And it says here about 20 minutes on foot, or we can go out and get the bus. So bus stop, track east, gate 2 or 5, or 20 minutes on foot. Favorite shop, 7-Eleven. Grab something to eat quickly because I'm absolutely starving. And then we're going to the deers. I'm in the mood for strawberry sandwich. I've never had a strawberry sandwich, so I'm definitely getting that. Strawberry sandwich. Strawberry and cream sandwich. It's absolutely delicious. Got about an hour on my left. Get the camera out. So just arrived at the entrance here, guys, and it is absolutely beautifully picturesque, stunning. Bare trees, brown temples, very, very beautiful.
잠깐만 찍어주고 싶은데 너무 힘들어. 아 그럼 안 줘도 난.
Look at you. Look at you. Oh, they're gonna fight. Find some biscuits we can feed them. Some pancakes. There we go. I like the biscuits there. So it seems like those deers there have just been eating all day. They don't want any biscuit. They want to eat paper instead of biscuits. That's how bland the biscuits must taste to them. So we'll head on up through the park and just check it out. It's very beautiful. Great spot for photography and video. Alright guys, let's go find some more deer. Very serene and peaceful. Deer. Beautiful sunset, fantastic architecture. The moon's just out there in the distance, you can see that. Look at these guys, they're all so peaceful. Have a little biscuit. There you go, buddy. Oh, they don't like biscuits. Yeah. So we're just here in Nara Park, and it's probably the most peaceful and serene and perfect place that I've been in a while. It's very quiet. The deer quietly walking around. Nice lake in the background. I'm just getting some shots. Got the moon just breaking through the trees there. Very, very beautiful for sunset. For all the chaos, trying to sort out silly phones, running around. Perfect just to come here, switch off, just enjoy pure serenity of this place. So peaceful. I'm just gonna sit here and take a moment of relaxation and meditation. We've got a nice little temple over there, just sitting on the water background. The deers walking around. A beautiful place to come to if you're in Kyoto or Osaka. 2 hours, give yourself 2 hours to get here from Osaka. And you come, it's the most peaceful place. It looks like it's a full moon as well. It'll get dark pretty soon, so I'll probably keep walking around and just enjoy the park. Ah, there we go. Hey guys, just going to do a bit of vlogging on the SLR. Finished up in the gardens and now I'm heading back into the city centre, walk down the main street. I'm going to have a nice meal before heading back to Osaka. Once I get back to Osaka, pack my stuff up and off to Kyoto for this evening. And I'll be staying in a 40-bed dorm, 40 with 39 other people and myself. It should be good fun. So we'll head through the park, hopefully get a nice backdrop and put the GoPro away for a change and vlog on the SLR. So if you ever come here, this is what you'll find when you walk in. You're here, that's kind of where I was earlier. Park's actually quite massive. You should be spending the whole day walking around Nara. So I hope you are all enjoying the vlog. If you've got this far in the video, like and subscribe. GoPro is still going strong. Back on the train, back to Osaka. Back in Osaka station. The tickets while they're hot. I've done this so many times, more than that. I know exactly where I'm going. I feel like a pro. So if you're staying in Shanghai, you can actually head down 20 minutes on the bike from the backpackers that I'm staying in, or the station, and head down to see those planes landing super close to the water as they come into the airport. A 1 hour round trip from the station. It looks pretty cool. I see some cool photos, planes super low. So if you're into that kind of stuff, go check it out. It's probably worthwhile. I'm just going to rush back now to the hostel, grab my backpack, look at the fastest route to Kyoto, jump back on that train, get the Osaka station. One thing, if you do like music, probably come to Shanghai because they have a lot of jazz, live music, places like this. As we are in this kind of music heart of Osaka, all the young musical students study nearby, hence jazz cafes open up, music cafes open up. Thank you, my friends, and all my new subscribers, and just all of you lovely people watching this video. Just checked out of Music Street Backpackers hostel in Shanghai, Osaka. 35-40 Australian dollars for the room for the night. Heading up to Kyoto now, and I'm checking into what looks like a capsule hotel. Very excited about getting there, checking out all the temples, checking out what the city's like. 20 yen. Get one of those little vegetable pastries. Oh, I'm just gonna get a drink as well. Before? Okay, I'll just get a drink. What do I want? What do I want? Oh, that looks good. Strawberry water. What a young gentleman he was. Whenever he finished serving me, he bowed down, and then I bowed down to him, and then I stood up, and then he bowed down again, and then I bowed down again, and he wouldn't let me do the last bow. It's very funny. All right, out to the streets of Kyoto, and when in doubt, go to McDonald's and get Wi-Fi. I've arrived. Street Hotel. I checked in. Up to the 4th floor. Oh, me too. What number? Ah, 4, me too. Okay. 537. Welcome to the capsule hotel. Everything is tiny. No TV. Oh, it's very futuristic like that. Get it out with headphones, charging port, alarm, mirror. This is great. Let's see what's on TV. Plugged into the capsule. That's it for me guys for today. Thanks again for watching the channel, and you know, if you've made it this far, give yourself a pat in the back for watching my vlog for so long. Absolutely fantastic day. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share. If you do, these videos will just get better and better as time goes on. So thank you guys. Good night in this beautiful, beautiful place in Japan.